Hello everyone, Fireforger16, and in this video I'll be unboxing Spirit Halloween's Cremator animatronic from the 2024 season. Um, I did actually get this last year, um, so you're probably wondering if I got it last year, why am I just making a video on it now? Well, that's because my mom, actually I gotta give her the credit for this, she actually went and she got it during the After Halloween 50% off sale, along with the Cauldroness and the Ringmaster. So that's pretty freaking epic, if you ask me. Um, yeah, this one, in my opinion, is. I mean, it's not particularly an animatronic. It's more of just like a static prop with just that just lights up and talks. But it's still so cool. I actually really like this thing a lot, and I can't wait for it to make its debut at my haunt this year. Um, because I think it's gonna be really cool, really spooky. I'm unboxing this one particularly because this one was actually the store display at the Spirit Halloween in Latham, New York. And so it's already been out of the box and activated and a lot. So one of the hands that holds the skull actually came off of the skull. So I just gotta glue that back on. That should be easy. But anyways, let's put my mic over here and yeah, let's do this. Hope my webcam here works all right. If I look over here a lot, it's because I've got my computer screen there, so I can monitor the webcam as I go on with this. But anyways, let's do this. Let's open up the box. Yeah. So again, this is not like my first time unboxing this. This was the store display in Latham, New York, so it's everything's just like right, basically like just take all the parts out here. There's a pole with one of the fire and ice lights on it. I like how this comes with like its own little fire and ice lights. It's nice. It's good use of it. I always wondered like how they would look. Well, I know there's probably lots of other props that have used fire and ice spotlights, but I've never really seen them before until this guy. Here's the whole head and body, or should I say just shoulders and clothing. Spooky, I love it. Really, I do. It's simple, but it gets the job done, which is being spooky. Ooh, yeah, here it is. Yeah, here you see one of the hands is missing. It's in there, I know it is. But yeah, there's the skull. I gotta, like I said, I have like a glue gun, so I'll just glue that back on. That should be easy. Here's the base with yet another light. Here's here's a module. Lots of wires, which is to be expected with that many lights. The controls. See, I don't know. I've got like a manual. I mean, I like to manually adjust the focus on my camera, so I don't know how good that looked, really. Even though I can kind of see the screen there, but here's a hand. Also, I don't know, the webcam might freeze up at certain times, but if it does, then whatever. Instruction manuals and the pull key. I'm just gonna call it the pull key because it's the key that unlock the pull. A lot more pulls in here, and the two arms. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Not a lot of parts to him too, which I like. It's a simple setup. Anyways, move that down so you can see all the parts and whatever. And then yeah, let's just get to it. That way, so we can get the space here. Oh my gosh! Start with this, and it's got front, as you can see there. Make sure that faces, obviously, the front. You all know your sense of direction, right? Anyways, the two A poles there. Snap lock them in, matching A to A to the base. Bam, and bam. God, I've missed doing this. I'll be honest. I've missed doing this so much because it's just so fun to do. I don't know. I miss hearing that snap lock sound. Anyways, now other poles here. See, they have B and C on them, and then matching B to B, they connect to the lower poles that connect to the base. There. And now for the module with the control box and wires and speaker and thingamajigs, I don't know. That goes here, matching C to C on both sides. Gee, I just realized I should probably the camera up. There we go. Just matching C to C. The letters are on the back of the poles, so if you can't see them, that's why. Okay. Alright, got that. And now for the pole that has the has this light, snap lock to here, matching D to D. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna shift this higher, and then I'll lock that in here. Keeps hitting the light. Stuff everywhere. Alright. There we go. Anyway, now you can look up and see. Oh, dude, he's awesome. Like I said, it's simple, but it works so well. Alright, anyway, left arm, part E. That's F. Okay, that's not it. Here it is. E. Again, this goes on the left arm. Probably can't really see it, but sleeve here. Yep. And this should go up. Then there we go. That's on. I'll definitely have to adjust the clothing after this, but alright, now for the other arm. Again, sleeve. And then feed the arm through. See if I can do this just by feel. There we go. It's there. There it is. And snap that in. There we go. All right. All this clothing thing here is just confusing me. All right, now for the skull. This now snap locks into this. Gotta push that back so I can reach this. There we go. There we go. Slide that in. There we go. Perfect. Wonderful. Now, like I said, I gotta glue this back onto this right here. Anyway, there we go. Also a long Velcro strip here. I don't know what. All right, I'm getting distracted again. I'm supposed to be connecting wires. What am I doing? Oh my goodness. Alright. Take this front here, and then I just... Just go like that. There we go. Like that. There's tape stuck in this thing. What the hell? Anyway, I tested it in my garage. So I do know that at least as of last year, this does work. So yeah. Oh, I see. There's the other part of the Velcro. There we go. That might be as good as it gets. There's also these two clips to put around some of the poles to keep the wires in place. So I'm gonna do that, and then other than that, Cremator is pretty much done. So with that, I'll put these in. I'll fix this if I can, and then we'll get to the demo. All right. As you can see, I fixed the hand on the skull, so now it is holding it properly. Now, time for the demo. Here we go.
Cross the threshold where the dead walk free. Enter, and in the darkness you will find me. Step into the shadows with me, mortal, where the boundary between life and death blurs, and the night holds its breath for you. I am the scorching wind that whispers of your demise. Surrender to the flames and let the ashes carry you to unseen realms of the underworld.
Alright, and that was the Cremator from the Spirit Halloween 2024 season. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon.